These are the girls. They capture the fish while in flight. I'm trying with the video to capture and show how nicely it can. Oh yeah, missed it. Let's see, I can capture some for you. They are so fast and swift. It's very difficult to trace them. See, you can see them. And the way they move around, you cannot predict how they are going to turn. You see, capture the fish, very swift. Before you focus, it's gone. And this is a huge big talab. They say it's 9 acres each into 3. That is almost this talab 1. This is talab 2, and this is 2, and then there is one more. So almost 30 acres of the place is converted to a big pond. And as per the government policies, the local government policies, they have given all the 3 ponds to 3 different people for fish breeding and whatever it is. And then ultimately they have removed all the weeds. So all the most beautiful sea birds, where the water birds have an STI. You can see this, how beautiful they capture. Yeah. What a great. The gull. Yeah, it's easy to capture with the camera by mobile, but at the same time, you cannot zoom it nicely. Yeah. No. Yeah. Great. I don't know the quality of the Vivo SX60 Pro. I will not today. Yeah. How fast and swift. Yeah, captured. Yeah, that's great. You can hear the beautiful ghanti of the cattle. Now there is another one coming. Now turned and see. Let's see. Yeah, and see there are 2 there. Deep. No. Fortunately, the sun is exactly behind me, so you can see it very beautiful. This is the evening golden light. Not at golden. See the way they really fly so fast. It's difficult. They're all on the other side, and the moment I will go there, they will be coming to this side. So I have to stand on one side only. Let's see. Yeah, there are 2 coming. Let me see if we can capture. Yeah, good. And now this is another one. Let me see if I can show you how it captures. I capture the birds and they capture the fish. Only difference is that their food is fish. And wow, beautiful. Yeah, fast and swift. This is another gull. Now turning, and then must be trying to take a dip. Let's see if I can capture you for you and for me too. Said no to me, went away, but there are many more now they have come. So I am hopeful to capture by both the cameras. This is the most nearby. Yeah. Beautiful play. The seagulls, wow, the gulls. The seagulls are also of course similar. They're also very fast. They're as fast as they can move with any fastest of the boats and the small airplanes, and even the particularly very small crabs. See? So let me try with another camera. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, share my beautiful photos. It takes a lot of time. Just see the way this is a handheld camera, and you can imagine, yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. Wow, this is but easy with the mobile than the real camera. It's very difficult.